basically the main sell point we are looking for, brother. The main sell point we're looking for basically somewhere here.
Yes.
The first it sell, like now question comes, how I enter on a trade on here when the market is falling. Basically the rules every time is same to same, no difference at all, no difference at
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any question you have for me?
No.
You made a list of people that you trusted, would you put your name down? Do you know who you are? When you look at life and you talk about yours, do you feel proud? Are you leaving a mark? Or scared to make a bad impression, so you just go hide in the dark? Living and playing a part, knowing regret will come back up tomorrow. That's what it does, ain't it? Don't know what we're chasing, but we all do it. Just a part of life, I guess we're all foolish, running after what we think will make us happy till it falls through. And then we find out later it ain't what we wanted.